Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play expert Killer Sudoku. This challenging puzzle combines the classic Sudoku grid with an exciting new element, cages. Each cage has a target sum, and the digits within it must add up to that number. Remember, standard Sudoku rules still apply, meaning each row, column, and 3x3 block must contain unique digits from 1 to 9. Expert puzzles demand careful deduction and strategic thinking to solve. A powerful strategy involves identifying cages with unique digit combinations, such as a sum of 3 in 2 cells, which must be 1 and 2. Also, look for cages that span across multiple 3x3 blocks, as these often provide crucial clues. Remember, the sum of all digits from 1 to 9 is 45. This 45 rule is incredibly useful when a cage covers an entire row, column, or block, helping you deduce missing numbers. To tackle more complex puzzles, employ advanced techniques like using intersections between cages and standard Sudoku regions. If you know a cage sum, you can exclude digits already placed in its cells, narrowing down possibilities. Always search for hidden sums within rows, columns, or blocks, which can reveal digits even without explicit cage boundaries. Considering where a digit is forced into a specific cell is also a key deduction. Mastering expert Killer Sudoku takes dedication and consistent practice. Begin with easier puzzles to solidify your understanding of the core mechanics and strategies. As your skills develop, gradually increase the difficulty, challenging yourself with more intricate grids. Always take time to review your solutions and understand where you made mistakes. This is invaluable for learning new patterns. With persistent effort, you will soon conquer even the most challenging puzzles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.